flood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Real quick, guys, today I am going to share with you guys this simple powerful strategy to trade crash 300 index, guys. All right, here what I said properly. I said this strategy is strictly for trading of crash 300 index. All right, so and this simple strategy is so powerful that you can see what is going on right now on the screen. You can see this here. All right, so you are going to be using 5 minutes time frame to trade crash 300 index, and you can build any account size with this. What you just need right now is for you to just pay very close attention and follow my instructions properly. And if you love content like this, or you want me to be sharing content like this whenever I come across it, be sure to smash that like button, and also smash that subscribe button as well. It's very important for the channel to grow. So with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into the video. Let me walk you through how this strategy really works. As you can see right now, you can see this formation of W here, guys. All right, this is a perfect and pure example of what I want you guys to be looking out for whenever you want to use this particular strategy. This is strictly a price action form of strategy, guys. So what you just really need to do right now is whenever you spot something like this on your chart, and you can see this is crash 300 index, and this is 5 minutes time frame, guys. All right, you see that here. So now the first thing that you need to do whenever you comes across something like this is for you to click on this our quote here. As usual, once you click on this quote, then you click this place. Let's open the crash 300 index. Look at crash 300 index here, guys. All right, this is crash 300 index. So whenever you see crash 300 index in this mode at this particular time of the day, look at time today, as the time I'm recording this video is 8:37 a.m. all right, so this is showing us that this particular crash 300 index is is ready to go a very long way on bullish. All right, so look at this here. By default, we know that crash buys and boom sells. So now with you confirming this here on this particular quote here that this crash 300 index is now buying. So and you spot something like this, guys, you spot something like this on your charts. All right, so what you just need to do is for you to wait for this second leg of this W. This is the first leg of W, guys. All right, this is the first leg of W, and when you look at the chart here, when you look at this particular place here, you will see this first leg formed, and look at the neck of this W here. All right, so now you don't need to trade this particular. Once you spot this first leg, that is, it crashed down for a very long time or so, then you spot this one going up, you don't need to trade that neck. All right, because it's very dangerous for you to open a position here, because you don't really know how long the neck is going to be. So just allow this to go, and also allow this particular one here to go. All right, so what you should be targeting should be this particular second leg of this W, which is this particular one that you see here. So had it been you were here and you spot something like this, guys, you spot this formation here. All right, so as soon as you spot something like this, that is to say this reversal here is this particular thing that you are seeing here at this bottom here. So if you open, or if you had opened your position somewhere here, where you are going to exit is this our 90 level here. You can see this is level 10, and this is 90 level. So this level 10 here is where this particular reversal happened. So even if this market decide to start crashing down now, what we should be waiting for again is this same thing. So whenever you comes to this particular place, or this, you can see that the two legs has already completed. Look at this rejection here, and then look at what happened here. All right, so he rejected at that same zone again. That is clear confirmation that this market will be crashing anytime from now. So, and look at this particular place. This our line here has gotten to level 90, and it has already curved. All right, so what we should be waiting for, if we want to catch spike, is for us to for this market to get at least a little bit at this zone again. We will open for sell. All right, and it will definitely crash. But what I am advising you guys right now is this: let's just make this open and clear. This particular crash, for me, I will not be going for catching of spikes on this. Why? Because when you check this place, you will see that this crash 300 index is out for full bull today. You can see this here. All right, is still increasing the percentage. All right, so now, but when it comes to this place and you spot that this particular blue percentage that you are seeing here is showing red, all right, it's not showing this blue percentage. Instead of showing blue percentage, that is showing red. So you can quickly open multiple positions at this zone right now once it is spotted this way. All right, understand what I is not when you seize it this way that it is now. Is showing us that blue percentage, showing us that the market is still buying. It's as simple as that. This is crash 300 index and you can make a lot of money because it's very, very volatile. So that is how this strategy works. It's very, very simple, guys. Just follow this. When I backtest this, you look at this here. All right, look at exactly what I'm explaining to you guys now. You can spot this in different forms. You can spot it on W's, you can spot it on M's. Look at this here. All right, look at level 10 here. Look at what happened. Boom, to this place. Look at it here. All right, now when you look at this particular one here, look at this place here, look at this here. All right, you open your position whenever you open any position for it, but I am not advising you go for spikes whenever this particular you click on this quote and you spot that this particular percentage here is still showing this blue percentage here. That is showing us that the market is maintaining the default movement. All right, so you do not need to open for spikes, but whenever it comes to probably crash 300, crash 1000 or crash 500, and you spot that something like this is happening, and you go to your main chart just the same way I explained to you guys, and you spot something like this as I explained here. All right, as I explained here, this is the best time for you to open multiple positions here on catching spikes. That is if you check this particular place here and it's showing red. All right, so that is what or that is how we are going to use this strategy, and we make a lot of money from it. But for now, you can only concentrate on catching the legs of this W, or waiting for this particular line here in our indicator window 1 to get to this level 10. And when you look at this here, this is 5-minute time frame, guys. If had it been you open a position somewhere here and you roll this market to this particular place here, guys, you have made a lot of money because this is 5-minute time frame, and crash 300 index is very, very volatile. So had it been it the indication here is showing us red or sell, by now I would have stopped many trades here, but I'm not going to do that. That is why you just need to always pay close attention when I am explaining how you can trade boom and crash profitably and successfully. So that is how this strategy works, and I am going to share the settings with you guys right now. And if you are getting value from this video, do not hesitate to smash that subscribe like button, and also by you smashing that subscribe button, you're helping others that are searching for content like this to locate this content and use it to build their own small account as well. So also be sure to smash that like button, subscribe button, because I noticed that most of my viewers are not my subscribers, so it will not take you anything from smashing that subscribe button. And be sure to turn on your notification bell as well, so that whenever I share awesome content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube is going to pop the notification to, that I have shared another powerful content that will help you trade boom and crash profitably and successfully. So with that being said, guys, I am going to also share the settings of this particular indicator here with you guys, so that you'll be able to set your screen this way and start making the lot of money, because this is Monday and this is January. You need to start making real cash right now. All right, so that is how it is, guys. And also, if you want me to mentor you, do not forget to use the WhatsApp number in the description of this particular video that you are watching, and let me know that you want me to mentor you. And upon sending me a message, be sure that you are already, that is, you are ready to start your mentorship program. All right, mentorship programs are not for free. So if you do not have money to enroll yourself on mentorship program, probably you can keep on doing what you have been doing. But I really want every one of you to be making a lot of money this year. All right, so that is why this is the first upload of the year, and I want every one of you to make money. That is why I am sharing this simple strategy that you are going to use to trade crash 300 index, especially to make a lot of money. Because why I keep saying of 300 index, crash 300 index, is the fact that it's very, very volatile. I love trading volatility. I love trading any pair that is very, very volatile. So sharing volatile crash 300 index is very, very volatile. So sharing it is as the same thing as I'm trading volatility 75 index. So be sure to use these instructions and follow it closely and properly the way I explained, to enable you make a lot of money from it. So that is how this strategy works. And I am going to share the settings with you guys here. Let me click on this place. You click on this particular F icon here. It's just one simple strategy, as you can see here, one simple indicator that we are going to use to give us an edge on when to open a position and when to close it. So that is it. Once you click on the F icon, you are going to add this stochastic oscillator. All right, you are going to add stochastic oscillator. You click on it. Take screenshot of these settings that you are seeing. This particular place, be sure to let it be on simple modes, guys, and then look at the major thing that you should be following. Look at these two things. All right, so this particular place here, you are going to probably use the color of your choice, but for me, this is the necessary one that you must use the color of your choice, and this particular signal line must be the color of your background. So it's as simple as that. After doing that, you click done. That is it. You are good to go, guys. So you watch out for whenever you see this formation that I explained right now. That is when you are going to open a position. This particular secret that I shared with you guys right here now, for you to trade this particular crash 300 index or any of the pairs, is the one of the classes that I share with my premium student. That is my paid students. All right, so but I decided to do this here because I want every one of you to be making money as far as this particular new year is concerned. Start making your money from new year, and you will never regret coming across my channel. So that is how it is, guys. And also, I'm going to leave the link to my books in the description of this particular video if you do not have money to enroll on mentorship program, because it is very, very okay for you to start your journey very early. So why I'm saying this is that I want every one of you to be making money. That is why you see what I'm sharing with you guys here. No one will probably, I don't really know about others, but nobody will devote their time to share powerful content like this, simple and powerful content, straight to the point, whereby you can use as simple as that to start killing the market, especially in the market of boom and crash. So that is how it is, guys. So I'm going to leave the link in the description description of this video of my books, so you can go through those books and pick those books and go through it. It's very, very cheap. You can do that for yourself and know how to trade all these pairs. It will be very, very okay for you to do that. So that is how it is, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.